We're Wrights Plastics, we're a UK POS company. I'm Andy Watkins, I'm the Commercial Director here. I'd like to talk a little bit about our latest purchase. This is the Arizona 6170. It's a 6-colour machine, so not only of the 4 prime colours, it also has light cyan and light magenta. This helps us produce perfect image quality, especially when you're talking about the cosmetics market. This is the first process in a production of cosmetics POS. The printer also prints datum points. This means that our other machines, such as our Euro lasers and our Zun cutters, can pick up on these datum points to cut out any shape required. Here at Wrights Plastics, we value the latest technology because we know that our clients demand the highest quality, certainly in the cosmetics industry.